Hey there, nature lovers. Welcome back to the channel, Sandra Fostering. I am Sandra. Welcome also to my kitchen, where I've taken some of the vegetables that I've grown in my backyard onto my table, where I'll be making this special green juice to boost your immune system. So join me as I do this quickly. It's a quick and easy one too for you. Come along with me. So this is the final product, guys. I am not going to lie, it's very nice and rich. It's not the best tasting juice, but it is extremely good for you. It is extremely good for you. All of those anti-inflammatory diseases, weight loss, this juice keeps flu, all of those things. This juice just keeps your body up. I'm telling you, I've been using this juice for a long while now. And remember, all the lemon, the whole lemon must be in it. Seed, rind, pulp, everything. 5 ingredients: kale, ginger, lemon, cucumber, spinach, if you don't have kale. So there you have it, guys. This amazing green juice packed with antioxidants to fight off all those inflammatory diseases and to boost your immune system. Remember, it's just 5 ingredients shown on your screen. So have fun juicing to maintain your weight or for weight loss or just to uplift your spirits and feel good. Yes, guys, continue to enjoy juicing, especially those vegetables and fruits that you grow in your own backyard.